Hi friends, I am Prabhas and you are welcome to my channel Civil Land. In this video, we are going to discuss about different structural design philosophies. As you know, the object of reinforcement concrete design is to achieve a structure that will result in a safe and economical solution. For a given structural system, the design problems consist of many steps such as idealization of structure for analysis, estimation of loads, analysis of idealized structural model to determine axial thrust, shear, bending, moments and deflections, design of structural elements, material specifications and details of reinforcement, detailed structural drawings and schedule of reinforcement bars. There are four philosophies for the design of reinforced concrete, pre-stressed concrete as well as steel structures such as working stress design, ultimate load design, limit state design and performance based design. Now comes to working stress method of design. This method was principal method prevalent in use from early 90s until the early 1960s. This method is based on the concept of elastic theory, that is concrete as well as steel are elastic in nature and both materials obey Hooke's law of elasticity. Here tensile strength of the concrete also ignored. This method was first disappeared as it was worked at working load only and not at ultimate loads. Now comes to ultimate load design. Here the working loads are increased by suitable factor to obtain ultimate load. This factor is called load factors. This method takes into account the non-linear stress strain behavior of the concrete. Maximum fiber strength in concrete does not exceed 0.68 sigma cu. Tensile strength of the concrete is ignored in sections subject to bending. Main advantages of the method is that total safety factor of the structure thus found is near to its actual value. It requires less reinforcement than working stress method. The main drawbacks of the ultimate load methods are: since load factor is used on the working loads, there is no way to account for different degree of uncertainty associated with variation in material stresses, and there is a complete disregard for control against excessive deflections. Now comes to limit state of design. Limit state of design has been originated from ultimate or plastic design. The object of design based on the limit state concept is to achieve an asset to provide that a structure will not become unserviceable in its lifetime for the use for which it is intended. The most important of these limit states which must be examined in design are limit states of collapse, limit state of serviceability. A limit state of collapse corresponds to maximum load carrying capacity. Limit state of serviceability corresponds to functioning of structural members under normal use or comfort of people or appearance of the construction work. This method applies to all types of failure such as collapse, overturning and vibration, and to all materials and types of construction. Now comes to performance based design. Performance based design is a process that explicitly considers the way a building is likely to perform under a given event as its design reaches certain predefined stages. Its concept is a very sophisticated approach and needs lot of field data and understanding on the part of the designer before it can be put in practice. The Eurocode 2, that is Eurocode 1990-2002 and New Zealand Code NJS 3101-2006 is based on this concept of design. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. If you have any doubt or any suggestion, you can comment us. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.